Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making sausage, broccoli, and rice skillet. This recipe is super easy to prepare and it makes a delicious and hearty meal. So let's get started. Cook enough rice to make 2 cups and then set it aside. Then set out a 12-ounce package of frozen broccoli to thaw. Then slice 1 red bell pepper into thin strips and set it aside. Next, take 1 small onion and slice it thin and set it aside. Now, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then add 14 ounces of your favorite smoked sausage cut into 1/2 to 1 inch slices. Now stir and cook this until the sausage is browned. Then add your sliced red bell pepper, your sliced onion, your thawed broccoli, 1/2 cup of canned corn drained, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. Stir this together and simmer for about 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Then turn off the heat and add your cooked rice. Stir it together until it's well combined. Finally, sprinkle on 2 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. And here it is, sausage, broccoli, and rice skillet. This is a quick, simple, and delicious meal. And you can easily change up this recipe by adding in your favorite vegetables. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Then slice 1 red bell pepper. Then slice 1 red bell pepper. Oh my gosh. 1 red bell pepper into strips. Thin strips. Ooh. 1 red bell pepper into thin strips. Oh. Slice 1 red bell pepper into thin slices, thin strips. Oh. Then turn off the heat. Turn off the heat or turn off your heat. And here it is. And here it is, broccoli. Oh,